Hi, and welcome to the Oak and Metric Revenue Tracker. In this overview, I'm going to show you how to record your revenue, customize the tracker, and use the dashboard to understand your creator income at a glance. So we'll begin with the revenue transaction database. This is where you will record every payment, commission, brand partnership, product sale, or other source of income earned throughout your business. So each line represents one individual revenue transaction. So begin by selecting the date on which the income was earned or recorded. The tracker will then automatically calculate the corresponding month, year, quarter, so you don't need to enter anything for these columns manually. So these will be calculated automatically for you. Next, choose the relevant income source from the drop-down menu. Enter the client or company associated with the payment, followed by the platform on which the income was generated. You can then add a short description of the work or transaction, enter the expected payment amount, and select the currency. Choose the current payment status so that you can distinguish between the revenue that has been paid, that is pending, or remains outstanding, or has become overdue. You can also record the payment method, invoice number, payment due date, and any other additional notes that you'd like to keep within your records. As you can see, with one single transaction I've just entered, your dashboard has automatically updated. Before looking at the completed dashboard, let's briefly visit the settings page. This is where you can personalize any drop-down options used throughout the tracker. The income sources sections control the options available in the income source drop-down. The tracker includes commonly used creator revenue streams, but you can replace these with categories that better reflect your influencer business or creator business. The platform section works in the same way. You can add, remove, or rename platforms depending on where your revenue is generated. The settings page also contains the list used for payment statuses, the currency, and payment methods. Any changes made to these lists will be reflected in the relevant drop-down menus on the revenue tracker. The lower section supporting summary tables are used by the dashboard charts. These update automatically, should generally be left in place. Now let's return to the revenue tracker and look at it with a complete demo data set. So I've gone ahead and populated this with demo data. For example, the tracker is populated with fictional revenue from Maya, let's say Maya Bennett Studio, a lifestyle content creation business. This data includes brand partnerships, affiliate commissions, revenue from advertising, UGC, sponsorships, consulting, and digital product sales. Once revenue has been recorded, the dashboard gives you an immediate overview of your business performance. At the top of the page, you can select the year and month you would like to review. There's a needs attention section, which identifies income that may require action, transactions that are overdue, outstanding, or awaiting payment can appear here, helping you see which clients or payments may need to be followed up on. The key performance cards provide a quick financial summary. The expected revenue shows the total revenue for the relevant transactions. Outstanding revenue highlights income that has not yet been received, while the paid revenue shows the amount already collected. You can also see your average revenue per deal, revenue for selected month, the total number of recorded transactions. The revenue over time chart shows how income has changed across the year. Revenue by source helps you understand which income streams contribute most strongly to your business. Revenue by platform shows you where your earnings are being generated. and the payment status shows you chart provides a visual breakdown of paid, pending, outstanding, and overdue revenue. Below the dashboard, you can view the complete transaction database. This gives you a detailed record behind the summary figures and the charts above. New income is added, the dashboard calculates and charts update automatically. For the most accurate results, make sure every transaction is entered consistently and that the payment status is kept up to date. The welcome page provides a quick introduction and recommended steps for getting started. The settings page can be revisited whenever your business evolves and you need to add new income streams, platforms, payment methods, or currencies. I hope you found the overview helpful, but majority of the tracker is fairly intuitive. The beauty of the revenue tracker is that it brings all your records, your income records, unpaid revenue, performance metrics, and visual reports together in one organized workspace. So that you can see where you want to go, how far you've come in terms of your income for the year or for the months, and you can also view quarterly income to compare how things are going throughout the year. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have purchased via Etsy, please be sure to check out our other trackers. There's quite a few trackers there. There's the brand pitching tracker, there's the content planning tracker, there's an invoicing tracker, there is also a tax tracker which allows you to record your expenses. You can also record your mileage if you travel by car for your business. You can also see an estimated tax liability that you might have for the tax year. You can also view I guess, your expenses against your taxable profit for the year. Yeah, so majority of the trackers are very, very helpful. But if you want all of the trackers all in one, we also have a creator suite, which includes all 6 trackers in one, and an overall dashboard, which allows you to see which are your best performing revenue streams. It also allows you to view your best clients, where majority of your revenue is coming from. It also allows you to set a goal for your income, whether you want to see whether you're getting 5,000 pounds or dollars per month, or 10K or 20, whatever your goal might be, and how you're doing against some of the amount that you're invoicing and how much of it is paid every month. Yeah, so I hope you check out some of the Etsy trackers that we have. Thank you. Bye bye.